your show. I like the awkwardness, man. How you put these people on.
Because I'm like going out of my mind, like I'm freaking out. When I do my show, it's like there's like just burst of energy all throughout my body, and I just can't take it. I'm just freaking out, I don't know what to say. I have a great time, and I smile a lot. I feel good, But it's so good to see it. But I don't know. Like, there's so many things I don't know.
Yeah. I'm ambiguous. You could call me the conspicuous ghost of ambiguity.
That's what I was gonna say. It's under your name on your website. It says that.
Yeah. Oh, you saw it. Yeah, the conspicuous ghost of ambiguity.
Tell me about your website, because I know that's kind of what you thought about. That you kind of figured out this is what I'm gonna push. These are the different channels. This is what I do. And I have to say, it's very like there's a lot on there. But I think that's important, because what are you going to do, not highlight everything,
Well, the thing is, I've done a lot of projects in LA. I did a lot of studio projects. I got invited to a lot of shows. Pasadena Media, primarily in LA, they had a lot of studio shows. So I got invited to do a lot of lectures on specifically